Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject Science.
Good morning. Welcome back to 4th Science online class. In today's class, we are going to see 9th lesson book exercise. First one, objective type question. A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, birds reproduce by does, laying egg or giving birth to young ones. The answer is laying eggs. Second one, birds build nest on trees to does their eggs, warm or lay. The answer is lay. Third one, the yellow inner part of the egg is the does. The yellow inner part of the egg is the does. Albumin or yolk. Answer, yolk. Fourth one, does helps the embryo inside the egg to develop better and faster. Warmth or cold temperatures. Answer is warmth. Fifth one, a frog lays eggs in large clusters called does. Molting or spawns. Answer, spawns. Sixth one, most mammals have does on their bodies, hair or cuticle. The answer is hair. Okay, next one, choose the correct option. First one, which of these parts is rich in proteins? Which of these parts is rich in protein? A. Eggshell, B. Yolk, C. Albumin, D. All of these. The correct answer is C. Albumin. Second one, which of these animals lay eggs to reproduce? A. Birds and insects, B. turtles and lizards, C. Frogs and crocodiles, D. All of these. The answer is D. All of these. Third one, when an animal undergoes several changes through its growing process, it is said to have undergone A. Molting, B. Metamorphosis, C. Maggot, D. Spawns. The answer is B. Metamorphosis. Fourth one, which of these is not a part of a life cycle of a butterfly? A. The adult lays eggs in large clusters called spawns. B. The pupa changes into an adult. C. The caterpillar sheds its skin and forms a pupa. D. All of these. The answer is A. The adult lays eggs in large clusters called spawns. Okay, fifth one. Which of these mammals do not have hair on their bodies? A. Elephant and giraffe, B. Giraffe and zebra, C. Lion and tiger, D. Whale and dolphin. The answer is D. Whale and dolphin. Sixth one, which of these refers to large clusters in which a frog lays eggs? A. Tadpole, B. Spawn, C. Molting, and D. Metamorphosis. The answer is B. Spawn. Seventh one, which of these stages does the caterpillar belong to? A. Larva, B. Pupa, C. Adult, D. None of these. The answer is 7. A. Larva. Eighth one, which of these is not true about mammals? A. They have hair on their skin. They have well developed brains. They mostly multiply by giving birth to young ones. D. None of these. The answer is D. None of these. Okay, next one. Very short answer type questions. A. Give one word for the following. First one, the ability to produce more of their own kind. The ability to produce more of their own kind. That is called reproduction or reproduce. Okay. The answer is reproduce. Second one, various stages of development from an embryo to a mature adult in the life of an animal. That is, the answer is life cycle. Third one, a complete change from a young form to an adult form. This is called metamorphosis. Fourth one, the process of shedding the old skin by an animal. That is called molting. Then fifth one, animals that reproduce by giving birth to young ones who feed on their mother's milk. That are called mammals. Okay, first answer reproduce, next life cycle, next metamorphosis, next molting, the last answer is mammals. Next one, give two examples for each of the following. In egg-laying animals. For egg-laying animals, you can write any two examples. Here I am given lizard and crocodile. Second one, animals that undergo metamorphosis. Example, frog, butterfly. Third one, animals that give birth to young ones. Cat, deer, elephant, human beings. Any of two you can write. Fourth one, mammals. Elephant, cat. Fifth one, mammals found in water. The answer is dolphin and whale. In page number 98 also a small exercise is there. Let us see. Label the parts of the egg correctly. Then the right number for each of the following. First you see the egg. The number 1 is albumin. The number 2, egg shell. Third one, yolk. First one albumin, second one egg shell, then third one yolk. Now let us see the fill-ups. A white jelly-like substances. A white jelly-like substance is albumin. So you write 1. The second one, this is a protective layer of the egg. That is eggshell. So you write 2. Then third one, it is the innermost part. The innermost part of the egg is yolk. So the answer is 3. Then fourth one, it is rich in proteins. That is 1, albumin. Fifth one, it is rich in fats, vitamins and minerals. That is 3, egg. Sixth one, it contains food for the growing baby. That also egg. So the answer is 3. Okay, the book exercise is over. The next class we will see the question answer. Thank you.